We booked a cheap boat tour, but because the sea was rough, we had two choices: change the day or accept a free upgrade to a luxury boat. Of course, we chose the upgrade, and that turned out to be a big mistake. Since we were kids, we've always dreamed of visiting Egypt. Now that we are finally here, feels like so much more than we ever imagined. Ras Mohammed is known as one of the best snorkeling spots in Egypt, with sharks, crystal clear water, and a protected marine park. It's the main reason we chose Sharm El Sheikh as our first destination. So we booked a simple cheap boat tour to see it for ourselves. And that's where everything started to go wrong. The day before the tour, we got a message saying the sea would be rough and that small regular boats wouldn't be allowed to go out. And we had two options: change the date or accept a free upgrade to a bigger luxury boat. Of course, we chose the upgrade, and at that time it felt like the right decision. We were really excited about it. We were picked up very early and brought to the harbor to wait before boarding the boat. And then we waited, and waited, and waited. Hours passed and nothing was happening. That's when we started to feel something was off. Yeah, they pick us up at 7 in the morning. We waited 2 hours and we are leaving now.
So many people are
It's crazy.
insane.
Okay, you have to take off your shoes.
Today we will going to the National Park of Ras Mohammed.
After leaving the harbor, we understood why we had been waiting for so long. The sea was rough, the wind was strong, and the waves were already getting bigger.
I was born in the earth by hand, plucked out like a fruit. And oh Lord, I won't come home till the seed becomes a tree. I was born in the ocean's depths, made my way up there. And oh Lord, I won't come home till I'm one with these old seas. And oh Lord, I won't come home, I won't come home to play. And oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend.
When we reached the first snorkeling stop, it was clear the conditions weren't easy. Okay, so we are going to snorkeling now. It's very windy. The waves were strong and most people decided to stay on the boat. We hesitated for a moment, but still chose to go in. As soon as we jumped in, we knew why. The water looked beautiful, but the waves, strong currents, and cold made snorkeling far harder than we expected. After the first snorkeling stop, everyone was already exhausted. The sea was still rough, the wind was strong, and then we were told we were heading to the sandbar.
Sorry.
We had to transfer to smaller boats to reach the sandbar, and with the waves and wind, it quickly turned chaotic. When we got there, the sandbar was almost completely underwater. The wind was freezing, people were clearly struggling, and staying there felt impossible.
Let's run, Archie! Let's run! Let's run! Move! Move! What is it, Archie? Why are you moving? Why are you here? Let us here! Find it! You find it!
After just a few minutes, people started heading back. When the small boats arrived, everyone rushed to get on. It was cold, windy, and the situation felt chaotic.
Mira, you're so happy we are going, eh? Help! Help, please, help! Take me home! Help! Stop! Stop!
Back on the big boat, people were cold and exhausted. Not long after, we were told the third stop was cancelled. Very windy today, but this is the reason why we get upgraded, because officially we didn't book the pirate standard boat or something like this. We booked, and then we got an upgrade to the pirate because of the wind, and now we understand why. Because in the morning I get the message around 7 in the morning and I didn't understand why, but now I understand. The White Island was not enjoyable, but the snorkeling was nice.
Only 20 people, over 50 persons, the boat went inside of the water. For me, I enjoy, was okay waving, but I enjoy. The snorkel was very good actually. And the coral reef is very healthy, beautiful coral.
And once we started heading back, the views were actually beautiful.
I was born in the river one day, wash me clean and cold. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend.
Looking back, the upgrade was nice. The boat was comfortable and luxurious, but the weather was harsh. When the sea is rough, changing the day, even if it means skipping an upgrade, is often the better choice. So what would you do? Accept the upgrade or wait for a better weather and change your day instead? Let us know in the comments. Okay guys, thank you, and if you like us to make more content like this, please hit the subscribe button and follow us in our next journey. Thank you, bye.